few months ago, I made the Solo Eater Wiener Heater, a mini grill for cooking a single hot dog. And I had a lot of people ask me if they could buy one of these. So I have decided to make a kit version that anyone can assemble at home. And while I'm at it, I think I'll make it a little more practical so you can cook 2 wieners. Oh, I already see one problem. Made those slots too wide. All right, that'll definitely have to be loosened. I think I cut these slots wrong. This is going down too far. Okay, a few changes to make here. First, these slots are too wide. These hooks work pretty well, but I think I cut them too low. And I bet I could even make these hooks shorter. I think they're a little too long. And this grill should be able to take this on and off a lot easier. You know what? I bet handles here would be really handy. Otherwise, I think this is pretty good. Oh, that's something I forgot. Need some vent holes so air can get in. As for size, that is just about right. Uh-oh. Wiener fell off. I should bring these up. Make little wiener guards. And you know what else it needs? A couple of these. As you can see, I finally got myself an actual lathe chuck that I can use on this shop smith. So finally, drilling dowel centers is no longer a 6-step process. Yeah, something like that. All right, pick myself up some modeling plywood for this iteration. Cuts a lot cleaner than this hardboard garbage. I don't even know what this stuff is. It's like compressed horsehair and ground June bugs. Who knows? All right, slots fit correctly. Shorter hooks work nicely. Got my vent holes. They even look nice. Now, I went back and forth on the name for this. After all, I came up with a few the first time. Fun in a bun, oven for one. Personal pork torture, the individual bun filler griller. But I eventually landed on the, and I've decided to incorporate it into the grill itself. Fantastic. Now, I actually spent quite a bit of time working this up in SketchUp and figuring out all my exact profiles in Illustrator before getting to this point. But I think I'm really close now. Oh, and no more wieners overboard. Yeah. Okay. All right. I think it is time to send this off to my plasma guy. Ah, look at this. So Richard at 42 Fab ran this for me at his shop in Oklahoma City. And I gotta say, after working on this the last few months, this is really cool seeing this become a reality. Now, we've actually run this a few times now to get it just right. As you can see, this first prototype is a little wobbly. So for one thing, I redesigned it with 2 hooks on each side to eliminate this pivot point. Plus, Richard helped me to tighten up all the tolerances on everything for the final product. Also, how cool is this? And I have decided to also offer a flat sheet weld-at-home kit for makers interested in a fun and ultimately delicious DIY project. But now, of course, it's time to burn some Furters. The Furter Burner is available now on my website. Link in the description. If you want to get it by Christmas, be sure to order it right away. Plus, I am launching with a 10% discount, but that is for a limited time, so don't wait.